గచబౌలి ఇండోర్ స్టేడియంలో 34వ యూత్ నేషనల్ బాస్కెట్బాల్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ టోర్నమెంట్ ప్రారంభం కానుంది. తెలంగాణ బాస్కెట్బాల్ అసోసియేషన్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో మొత్తం 8 రోజుల పాటు ఈ టోర్నీ జరగనుంది. దేశవ్యాప్తంగా 51 జట్లు ఈ టోర్నీలో పాల్గొంటున్నాయి. ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభించిన హెచ్సిఏ అధ్యక్షుడు ప్రభుత్వ సలహాదారు జి వివేక్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Good evening to all the people present over here. I will only start by addressing the dignitaries on our dais because sportsmen will get bored listening to the names one after another. First, I would like to congratulate both the Basketball Federation of India and the Telangana Basketball Federation of India. Mr. Chandramukhi, Mr. Rajendra Reddy and Mr. Norman and Mr. Sridhar Reddy for conducting such a beautiful program. Actually, I was really surprised when I saw 26 states being represented here for this tournament. And when the march past was taking place, I was really thrilled because during my school days in our Hyderabad public school, I used to see such nice march past that I was really surprised when the Sherwood boys and the team, the way they march past step by step without missing a beat was really a treat to watch. And I take this opportunity of congratulating all the participants here who have come here. And particularly I want to congratulate our chairman of the Sports Council of India and our managing director, Mr. Dinakar Babu, for supporting this tournament. Because Sports Council of India plays a major role in this and they are here to support us, and definitely they need a big congratulations. We have with us the president of the Olympic Association of Telangana, Mr. Ranga Rao. Ma'am is there, Mr. Krishna is there, and Miss Vidya Shravanti, who spoke very well in motivating the participants here. And I always believed, and this is what we learned in school. Our president, Mr. Rajendra Reddy, is also from our same school, that sports always played a major role in shaping one's personality and character. I always felt being a good sportsman will develop a lot of determination to achieve your goals, a lot of team spirit which is required to further your progress in life, and also a very good character in trying to mix with people and take the issue forward. This is one of the things every sportsman learns, and I'm glad that the Telangana Basketball Association has made several arrangements for all the participants, because as Mr. Sridhar Reddy rightly mentioned, 750 participants are there today across the country, and I could see the fire in each of the participants here. I'm sure basketball will have a very good role to play in future. We have seen how basketball is one of the mainline sports in United States of America, and India needs to encourage basketball along with cricket. I know, being the president of the Hyderabad Cricket Association, cricket is very much...
India, men ranking 40, women ranking 51, basketball.
My chairman of the Sports Council says that India is ranked 40 in the men's basketball.
Women 40, men 51.
Women are 40 and the men are 51 across the world, and they need to come up more. There was a demand made by our president and Mr. Sridhar Reddy garu just now that sportsmen should be given more facilities by the state government. It's a very genuine demand. One is definitely a 2% sports quota should be done. When I was with our chief minister recently, I saw our MD and our chairman of the Sports Council of India making a request that this 2% reservation for sportsmen should be made. Because I see a lot of sports people, after passing the 10th class, they slowly get back into academics because people feel the future is not there in sports. But we have seen that in the coming years, sports will play a major role. There is going to be a lot of money in sports. I have with us Mr. Ramarao, who is associated with the Kabaddi Association. Suddenly Kabaddi has become a national sport, and I think basketball also should be encouraged in a similar manner, and I can definitely assure the Telangana Basketball Association that we will try to get sponsors for this sport, because I always felt basketball is a very interactive sport. It burns calories. It really is a high interactive sport, and it needs to be encouraged. And I want to assure you on behalf of the government of Telangana that we will definitely come forward in encouraging sports in this state. And as Mr. Rajendra Reddy said, a lot of schemes are being done in the social sector, and the same should be followed in the sports sector. And we will definitely work with the Chief Minister in trying to encourage sports. And I take this opportunity of once again congratulating the organizers for conducting such a good tournament across the country. Thank you very much.